Product development, invention, innovation. What speeds that process up is prototyping. And there are many different ways you can prototype parts, whether we're machining them, molding plastic, and 3D printing. Today, we'll talk about 3D printing. This is a syringe we did for a client. And what this syringe does is it extracts fat from the human body and processes it. And what's fascinating is that this uses several of the major 3D printing processes and secondary processes. This syringe is actually pressurized and waterproof. We've made dozens of these for laboratory testing. And each time they use them, we refine the design and we modify it. With 3D printing, you can do that quickly. Now, if you notice, it's clear plastic. You can print in clear plastic, and there's a secondary process where they vaporize the plastic to make it more clear. This is a SLA process. FDM, we printed these here also, and we glue screens to these for the filter. And we found a company that actually makes sterilizable plastic also that we can make these screens out of. We actually 3D printed the threads on here. So the threads are all 3D printed. The gaskets, some of the O-rings, those are all off-the-shelf O-rings, but we did 3D print some rubber parts for the plunger. The other part is there's a powder process called multi-jet fusion, and it's a PA11, PA12, and that's what we used for the main handle here that has the spring mechanism built into it. It unlocks, and inside there's also 3D printed metal we used. It was quicker to do 3D printed metal than to actually machine the parts because we could more quickly innovate and make different refinements. But it's pretty incredible the different processes used to make this product. So 3D printing, prototyping, that's the way we accelerate the design process. And what used to take years or months, you're doing in days and hours. If I'm putting this on the printer in the morning, by the afternoon, we're able to look at the part, make decisions, and move on. So check out our website, sourcedesigninternational.com, and you'll see some other videos on product development and how to accelerate the process.